भाई
अरे ओ
भाई क्या कर रहा है?
यहाँ पे देखिए मैम, सामने मैम, यहाँ पे रेड कैमरा, मैडम रेड कैमरा,
लाल कैमरा लाल है। अरे मैडम ओके 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 स्टेशनरी इंग्लिश नहीं मालूम चुप है। हाँ तेरे को तू ही तो पढ़ा लिखा है ना।
मैडम प्लीज कम हियर,
लुक सेंटर
मैडम इधर राइट में देखिए।
मैम इधर देखा ही
मैडम इधर देखो, इधर
बस बस अरे भैया कौन लगा रहे थे?
मैडम इधर सामने देखो, लोग सेंटर सेंटर देखिए सामने।
अरे यहाँ पे पूरी सर के साथ
यहाँ पर मैम नेक्स्ट बार
सामने
सेंटर में यहाँ पर सेंटर में मैम
अभिषेक के पास, मैडम प्लीज, मैडम अभिषेक के पास,
मैडम इधर देखो, इधर
भैया के पास
सेंटर थैंक यू
थैंक यू
मैम
एंजॉय 30 फेयर।
अंकिता जी
मैम यहाँ पर
यो मैम यो काम कर रहा हूँ मैं भी, ये मजा आइए मैम। नेक्स्ट मार्क मैम, अभी इस मार्क पे आ जाइए बीच में। राइट में देखिए, राइट मैम। बस मैम रुकिए, सामने देखिए लोग सेंटर। संगीता मैम इधर देखिए। थैंक यू मैम।
और आगे बढ़े वीडियो तो मार दे
सर इस मार्क पे हाथ
छोड़ा है, गंगाधर का सर छोड़ा है।
सर सामने सामने सर सामने
सर नेक्स्ट मार्क
सेंटर
भाई हाथ नीचे रख, काट लूंगा अभी।
सर यहाँ पर
सेंटर
थैंक यू सर थैंक यू
सर यहाँ पर नेक्स्ट बार
पहला है ही नहीं सर उसको
पूर्ण हटो ना। आइए। अरे वाह रतन भाई, रतन लाल
सर फर्स्ट मार्क सर यहाँ
सर इधर
बस सर
बोल
वेट सर इधर आ जाइए सर। पहले
फर्स्ट मार्क
बस
सर यहाँ पर सामने देखिए
सर लोग सेंटर सर सामने देखना
सर नाइस लुक
लोग सेंटर
राम सर
हो गया पहले मार वीडियो इधर
आइए सर आइए।
इसका ले
देवल सिम कार्ड सर आप आ जाइए इधर।
थैंक यू सर फर्स्ट मार्क
लोग या
सर यहाँ पर सर रुकिए
सर यहाँ
सेंटर में देखिए खाली
सर यहाँ पर सर
सही हो, सेंटर डाउन।
सर नाइस शॉट
सीधी से आ रहे उधर से आए थे। सर राइट में देखा राइट राइट आइए साथ में, आइए साथ में। लोग सेंटर सेंटर देखे, लोग सेंटर सेंटर देखे आपका सोलो, आपका मैडम
हीरो और एंटी हीरो आमने सामने आने वाले हैं और एक गाने को जिसको हम देखने वाले हैं। बाबा, राइट बिफोर द सॉन्ग व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से?
I just want to say that it's a beautiful journey for me to be working with Ram and with Puri sir and Sharmi and Vishu and everybody. बहुत मजा आया, लेकिन मैं इसकी तरह डांस नहीं कर सकता यार। I wish मैं कर सकता था, but really I really enjoyed every minute, and thank you everybody. Thank you for having me.
उस्ताद, आपकी बारी।
Before the song. So this is the first song that we shot, and I think one of the first schedules that I shot with Baba. And Baba, you don't need to dance. When you just walk, there's a lot of kick that comes out of it. So I had a lot of fun working with him, but I'll continue that on stage. But this is a super fun song. It's called Big Bull, obviously. So yeah, I had a lot of fun, and yeah, enjoy the song.
Lovely. With your kind permission, shall we?
थैंक यू।
मुझे बताएं सर, विद दिस काइंड ऑफ रिस्पॉन्स और यहाँ जो इतनी तालियां सीटियां बज रही हैं, व्हेन यू सॉ दैट थिंग, द ट्रेलर और अपनी एंट्री, व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से सर?
पहला मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, संजू बाबा एक 22 इयर्स बैक हैदराबाद आए थे, मुन्ना भाई MBBS वो टाइम पे, और तेलुगु सेम फिल्म डबिंग हुआ था। आप हमारे लोकेशन पे आए थे, जब देखा फिर इतने सालों के बाद अब देख रहा हूँ मैं आपको ये हमारे फिल्म में, और आपको देखते ही मेरी माँ की याद आ गई। क्यों बोले तो मेरी माँ 100 टाइम्स फिल्म देखा, मदर इंडिया।
Wow.
कभी भी टीवी में अगर आ गया तो वो चैनल चेंज नहीं करती, अगर कोई भी चैनल चेंज किया तो उसको बहुत बड़ा गाली मिलेगा, बहुत बड़ा, अरे भाड़ खाओ क्यों रे उसको ऐसा क्यों चेंज कर रहे तो आई बिलोंग्स टू आंध्र प्रदेश। आई स्टार्टेड माई करियर 1978. I acted 1250 movies. Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, Malayalam, Kannada and recently Nepali. मेरा भाई पूरी जगन्नाथ, हम लोग साथ में ऑलमोस्ट 30 साल से जर्नी कर रहे हैं हम लोग। हर फिल्म में एक डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ कैरेक्टर मेरे को चांस मिलता, तो ये फिल्म में इसको अमेजन फॉरेस्ट से लेके आया। सो अमेजन फॉरेस्ट से क्यों लेके आया अभी नहीं बोलता हूँ, 15 तारीख को बोलता हूँ। ए लबाडे कौनते तारो, और इसका एक साउंड है वो अमेजन से आया।
जोरदार तालियां अलीसा के लिए, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। आउट एंड आउट एंटरटेनर हमारे साथ. थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Thank you.
प्लीज रहिए हमारे साथ मंच पर. ऑफ कोर्स नाउ आई लाइक टू इनवाइट ऑन स्टेज पुरी कनेक्ट से the CEO Saab. Of course, Puri Connects is known for wholesome entertainment, ladies and gentlemen. Vish Reddy Saab is here with us. The very handsome Vish, sir.
Hello Mumbai and hello India. Thank you all of you for coming here to bless us and support us. I'll only say one line. I've seen the film like few days ago. I had this good feeling like jo maar munta chod chinta hai na, like having that maar munta and having good biryani, uske baad double ka meeta. That's the feeling I had after watching this film. So I thank each and every person from my team, production, say direction department, each and every member from cast and crew. Thank you so much. And Baba has supported us a lot. Ram Bhaiya supported us a lot. Everything like August 15th, this just 7 more days.
ह्यूज ब्लॉकबस्टर इन तेलुगु और आपकी कृपा है कि आज हम 5 लैंग्वेजेस में इसका सीक्वल डबल स्मार्ट आपके आगे लेकर आ रहे हैं. अगस्त 15 को हमारे साथ में और 3 पिक्चरें आ रही है. सारी पिक्चरें बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, तो थोड़ा थिएटर के लिए लफड़ा हो रहा है और नॉर्थ इंडिया में, लेकिन दैट आई विल लीव इट टू द एक्सपर्ट्स अनिल थडानी जी एंड दुग्गल जी. They will help us do justice, and I hope we have good run in North India also. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Just one quick question. You know, Puri sir, of course, he's a creative genius, but producer bhi to hai. So how many times do you have to like remind him of his producer wala duties ki please thoda thambo?
Honestly, Mr. Puri Jagannath, he deals with the alphabets and I deal with numbers. So we do not enter each other's zone at all. Even though he is well aware of everything, he is fantastic. He's a producer's director. But we have our own departments, and he's just amazing in what he does. I'm so thankful that he gives us that space.
Lovely. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. And now I'd like to invite on stage the leading lady of this film, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, Tamil ho, Telugu ho, या फिर Hindi हो, इन्होंने वो सारी projects में काम किया है, and she's killed it every single time. Kavya Thapar, ladies and gentlemen, जोरदार. Heart. What do you have to say? पूरी journey के बारे में.
First of all, hello Mumbai. This is the first ever Telugu film that I'm promoting in my hometown. So I'm feeling very, very blessed at this moment. Secondly, I think I am currently, मुझे ऐसा लगता है इस वक्त तो मैं एक सपने में हूँ, जो सपना मैंने बचपन से मैं देखते आई हूँ. तो पहली बात तो एज एंड व्हेन आई ग्रू अप मैंने संजय सर की इतनी सारी फिल्म्स देखी, तो to say the least, when I looked at him, I was blank. और उनका सिर्फ एक गाना मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा था, वो रात अपन 2 बजे तक पिया. तो जब मैंने उनको देखा मेरे दिमाग में यही चल रहा था, मैं और कुछ आया ही नहीं. I was so dumbfounded at that moment. तो definitely मैं उनके साथ मैंने स्क्रीन स्पेस शेयर किया. I'm trembling while saying this because it's such a huge huge dream for me that I am living currently. And thank you Sanjay sir, you were a blessing, and हमने पंजाबी में बात की and he made me very comfortable. So thank you, and it is definitely a blessing कि मैंने आपके साथ screens पे share किया. Secondly, Ram, you are by far, I'm saying this out and loud, by far the best co-star I've worked with.
Wow.
And I have found a great friend in you. And thank you for everything. No, वही बोला.
क्या लफड़ा भाई.
हे राम, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. बट नहीं, जेन्युइनली को-स्टार के साथ आपकी बॉन्डिंग ऑन सेट जो होती है, बट वो इतना केयरिंग को-स्टार है कि ऑन द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ मार मुंता मेरी तबीयत बहुत ख़राब हो गई थी. एंड एवरीबडी इज़ लाइक अब आप क्या खाओगे, बिकॉज इट वॉज अ स्टमक इन्फेक्शन. सो मैंने सिर्फ बोला स्पिनच सूप, एंड दैट डे इटसेल्फ, और आई थिंक द नेक्स्ट डे उन्होंने अपनी मम्मा से होम मेड स्पिनच सूप बनवाया मेरे लिए. And I'll forever be grateful for that. I think such little things show the kind of a person he is, and he's hilarious also as a person. So thank you for being you. All the best, and hope we work a lot in the future. Now I'm going to get a little emotional because I'm going to speak of Charmi ma'am. She is truly a boss lady and an inspirational woman, and I have hats off to you. आपके चरण स्पर्श करना चाहे. She should be the charan sparsh Charmi. That's what she is, because I really look up to her. She is a go-getter and she will do anything for her work, and that's an inspiration for me. And not only that, she's an extremely nurturing, caring, loving person. And I know, again, same day when I was sick, how she took care of me, I can never forget. Usually I always say that I'm a director's actor, but I am a producer's actor too now. I want to be at least.
Thank you.
So thank you for always doing everything for me. I love you. Puri sir! This is the biggest feather on my hat in my career journey, to be a Puri Jagannath heroine standing here today. Thank you, sir, for seeing Jannat in me and giving me an opportunity to be double Smart. Just a small story, I had auditioned for Smart Shankar, but at that time things didn't work out because double Smart had to happen to me, and thank you. Thank you for giving me this double power pack, mass, masala, entertaining film. Thank you, sir. Love you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं एक बार. As you said, double dhamaka, masala.
Mass, mental, masala, double action, double comedy,
Mass
double
mental
romance.
madness.
Mass mental madness, and
That is the hero's character in the film.
Right.
Mass mental madness.
Mass mental madness, and the person behind it who's envisioned all this and usko bade parde pe utara hai, the creative genius, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Puri Jagannath sir, ladies. थैंक यू सो मच. आप यहाँ पर आए सबसे पहले, और हम सब के लिए ये लेकर आए हैं. यू नो, फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, व्हाट वाज दैट वन थिंग जो सबसे आसान थी या डिफिकल्ट था संजू बाबा को कन्विंस करना टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस फिल्म?
आसान and
सॉरी,
difficult thing.
वाज इट लाइक इजी
The
और
difficult thing is getting his dates.
Okay.
And
he had
working with
7
him is
films
very
lined
cool.
up.
That's why I call her the go-getter
Lined
also.
up.
Oh, that's an announcement.
That time,
That's like
yeah.
breaking news right now.
When we thought of him, he signed 7 movies. He said no dates and all, so we were worried, and finally got his dates. And I'm a big fan of Sanju Baba, and 4 decades experience, a versatile actor. He played all kind of roles.
Yes.
Thank you for doing this film, sir. I love you, sir.
Thank you so much.
We are
please.
happy we are launching him. It is his debutant film in Telugu. So we have the privilege of launching him in Telugu.
And if I may, Charmi ma'am, if I may, I've heard this is like the most expensive Telugu debut for someone, is it?
Woo!
She's not commenting on that. Ladies and gentlemen,
We have a superstar debuting.
of course,
Yes.
of course, OG superstar of the Indian film industry, Sanju Baba. Before I invite him on stage, ladies and gentlemen, we have to give it up for this superstar, a superb young actor, जिन्होंने इससे पहले जितनी बार भी फिल्मों में काम किया है, कमाल किया है. उस्ताद बोला जाता है उन्हें. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Ustad Ram Pothineni, ladies and gentlemen.
They'll probably cheer if I come on YouTube.
Yeah, we loved you over there, of course.
Thank you.
First pan-Indian film, officially,
Yeah,
can we
yeah,
say
yeah,
that?
yeah.
और यहाँ पे ये धमाका होने जा रहा है. Talk to us about it, everything.
Hi, good afternoon, Mumbai. Thank you all for being here first. And yeah, like I said, it all started off from YouTube, where we didn't realize that a lot of North Indian people were watching a lot of South films. And we had such loyal people who've been constantly asking us to release the film because they used to wait for a year or so. And now finally, this entire pan-India thing came about, and we were able to release it on the same day as well. And especially a film like Ishmat Shankar. So most of the film has been shot in Mumbai. Double Ishmat has been shot in Mumbai. So I was lucky to have witnessed the Ishmat Shankar madness here as well. You know, the smallest of things, like when I used to go to shoot, I used to come across people on the road and all of that, and everyone used to keep, you know, screaming Shankar and all of that. So very glad that we're able to release this film simultaneously up north as well. And yeah, like I say, this character is all about mental mass madness. So one small disclaimer, I do not endorse him. So he's, in case you want to follow him, if you get inspired and follow him, I'm pretty sure that within half an hour you'll be in jail, so please don't. He's just to be enjoyed and entertained. Watch him on screen and leave him there. So he's really mental. And I love the way Puri sir has written this character for me. And it's always an experience for an actor, you know, something that you can't even think of doing in reality. You're playing it on screen. And yeah, I enjoyed playing it a lot. And down south, the people also have enjoyed the first part so much, and they've made it a huge hit. And now we're coming with Double Ishmat, with double the energy and double everything.
Yes!
And yeah, we're pretty excited. And the highlight is, I think, Baba. You know, Puri sir, when he first narrated the script, we couldn't think of anyone else but you. But again, you were like, Charmi told me that you signed 7 films. But again, her being her, she flew to Dubai, and I don't know how she managed to get your dates, but I just watched the film recently, and I can't imagine anyone else but you. And I wouldn't call this a debut, but because you're already a superstar everywhere.
A superstar in Telugu,
and,
first film.
it's an honor working with you, and it's an even bigger honor getting to know you. Because I keep saying, me and Puri sir keep discussing, you know, when you're performing or just sitting there, we're like, you know, what didn't this man experience in life? You know, you're like a silent saint, but you're a sweetheart. Thank you for pampering us. And it's an honor working with you. And yeah, about Ishmat Shankar and Puri sir. You know, we see heroes with attitude. I think he's the one who's introduced attitude, you know, the word attitude to heroes all over India. I think it started down south there. And, you know, the cool attitude, like earlier before him, I think when heroes had to show attitude, they had to stand like that. But now after Puri sir came, you know, this entire coolness came about, and he's a complete trendsetter. Yeah, complete swag. And sir, it's always an honor working with you. And yeah, thank you for writing this character and this madness. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much, Rambai. You know, I would want you to do the honors because, of course, it's a big thing to do. Kindly welcome Sanju Baba on stage.
Yes,
I want
please.
you to do it.
Sanju Baba!
बाबा के लिए तालियां हो जाए यार एक बार जोरदार हल्ला बनता है बाबा एवरी टाइम वी सी यू वो एक अलग ही बात हो जाती है यहाँ पे इस अवतार में आप आए हैं टॉक टू अस अबाउट दिस टीम एंड ऑफ कोर्स अबाउट बिग बुल
नमस्ते कैसे सब लोग मस्त है ना ठीक है तो ऐसी कोई बात नहीं जो पूरी सर और शार्मी और सब बोल रहे हैं कि मेरे पास 7 पिक्चर है और डेट नहीं मिली पूरी सर हम लोग सब फैन हैं इनके एंड लाइक हाउ राम सेड दैट यू नो he kind of changed cinema and Telugu. He created that swag, that coolness and everything. And I want to thank Puri sir for letting me be part of Double I Smart Shankar and making me Big Bull. Thank you, sir. Charmi,
सर जी
मैंने बहुत परेशान किया है.
सर जी सॉरी
I said in Punjabi के परेशान बहुत किया है यार. लेकिन I think that's the reason that this product could come about is your persistence, your focus.
थैंक यू जी
Thank you for letting me be around.
सर जी थैंक यू जी
और ये पंजाबी कुड़ी है कि she's done a great job and she's looking so good. बट इसको एक चीज़ है, इसको कुछ मार वार हमेशा पूछो तो मार ही लगता रहता है इसको यार.
सर मार मुंता छोड़ चिंता.
अब मैं पूछा अभी कुछ हुआ क्या, बोले हाँ कुछ है यहाँ पे लग गया. ख्याल रखो अपना यार, काम करो. विशु, थैंक्स, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग देयर. एंड इसको मैं एक पिक्चर दे रहा हूँ. So inspiration for you to lose some weight, you know. And of
प्रोडक्शन के
course,
इश्यूज की वजह से बेचारा मोटा हो
and
गया
of course Ram, you know. इतना मजा आया इसके साथ काम करके. अभी तो चूजा लग रहा है, लेकिन उस टाइम वो डबल स्मार्ट में मस्त लग रहा था. लेकिन अभी एकदम अच्छा लग रहा है, यंग लग रहा है, छोकरा लग रहा है छोटा सा. And it was a pleasure, it was an honor working with him, like a younger brother to me. And he's a good performer, he's a very hard worker. And we had a lot of fun while doing this film in Bangkok और यहाँ वहाँ हर जगह. हम लोग ने मस्ती भी थोड़ी बहुत की. I hope आप सब लोगों को ये पिक्चर अच्छी लगेगी and आपको मतलब you'll enjoy the film. I want to thank everybody again and Bhabhi is there and Bhabhi, thank you so much.
Sangeeta.
Thank you Bhabhi. And बस अपन के पास और कुछ भी नहीं है बोलने के लिए यार. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Baba. Zordar taaliyan Baba ke liye. Of course, before we get into the media Q&A, I'd like to invite on stage two very important people. बात की संगीता अहीर जी हमारे साथ हैं यहाँ पे. Of course, she supported the movie. She's been a very important part of this film, ladies and gentlemen. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. Welcome, ma'am. Also, would like to invite on stage AA Films से, of course, the superstar Anil Thadani Saab is here, ladies and gentlemen. He's distributing the movie. Please, sir, आइए. Also, RKD
Ram, me and Charmi. In everybody's mind was one name, Sanju Baba.
All right, the next one again is for you from Jaya Bollywood Now. How do you manage the expectation of fans when creating a sequel to such a successful film like Ismart Shankar? And what can audiences look forward to in Double Smart?
Yeah, it's hard to crack a sequel, I always. But I promise, and better than the first part. This story is much better than the first part. And Ram's energy is double than that. Double than the first part, I can promise. And 6 songs are there. Amazing songs. And energy Kavya is there. Ali sir, comedy is there.
Absolutely.
And Sabke Upar Baba, Sanju Baba is there. What else you want? It's a full entertainer.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. I'm sure जवाब मिल गया होगा जया जी को. The next one is for Ram bhai. मधु BBC हिंदी से पूछना चाहती हैं कि this is your first pan Indian film. किस तरह की expectations हैं, और क्योंकि after बाहुबली, you know, unlimited हो गया है सब कुछ. You know, box office की range जो है वो unlimited हो गई है. So what do you have to say on that?
Hello.
Check. Yeah. I generally don't comment on box office, but as an actor, what I like is it's being shared with a lot more people. You know, you can share your content with a lot more people. And yeah, Bahubali definitely opened gates up north and everywhere. And and this film is even more special because everyone has already loved the first part. So I'm sure a lot of people are looking forward to it, and pretty excited.
Okay, any one actor from the Hindi film industry apart from Sanju Baba जिनके साथ आपको काम करने का मन है?
काम करने का a lot of people.
Right.
But I really like Ranbir Kapoor also.
Right.
Yeah. He also played Sanju.
Right.
There's a connection there again.
Right. Cool. Thank you so much for
Thank
sharing
you, thank
that. Sanju Baba, this one's for you. Rahul from the Filmy Charcha wants to know, एक time था जब आप रोमांटिक फिल्में करते थे. अभी आपके सारे फ्रेंड्स वो रोमांटिक भी कर रहे हैं, एक्शन भी कर रहे हैं. क्या फैंस आपको वापस रोमांस करते हुए देख पाएंगे आने वाले समय में, या यही जो एक अलग बोल्ड अवतार आ गया है?
अभी रोमांस, अभी आप क्या बोलते हो? लेकिन
आप कुछ भी करो, हम आएंगे, सीटी बजाएंगे, ताली बजाएंगे.
हाँ, रोमांस भी कर लेंगे अगर कोई अच्छी पिक्चर है, लेकिन आई मीन अपना जो जनरेशन है यार, वो मास के लिए काम करता था, तो हम लोग मासी हीरो है. अपन साजन कर लिया था एक टाइम, लेकिन बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर थी, गाने अच्छे थे यार. एक और कर लेंगे साजन.
चलो भाई, ये भी एक और अनाउंसमेंट हो गया यहाँ पे. मिथुल फ्रॉम टेली चक्कर wants to know what attracts you so much to the South Indian films. This is your third project and it's again a negative lead. So what is it that
I don't know. I think मुझे भी एक it's a challenge for me also, you know, to be in a South film, and negative is a good space to be in. You know, बहुत कुछ करने को मिलता है, मारने को मिलता है, मार खाने को मिलता है. अब रेप कट गया है, लेकिन वो लेकिन it's good, you know. I mean, at least there's a little something to do for an actor, you know, after doing so many films.
Right. Thank you so much. Kavya, this one's for you. Rohit from Filmy Charcha wants to know, do you have any aspirations to work in a Bollywood film?
Yeah, I don't confine myself to one specific industry. I think I'm very open-minded as an actor. And if I like the script and I can justify the role, then I'd definitely do it.
Any favorite Hindi film actors? ऐसा पूछना चाहते हूँ.
Many, but I guess for me also Ranbir Kapoor after Animal has been like a
Right.
top favorite.
Right. Charmi ma'am, this one's for you. Naveen from 24. मुझे लगा age लिखी हुई है, Naveen 24. What according to you makes a pan-Indian film a hit, and what more films are lined up ahead for Puri Connects?
Hello everyone again. So it's not about pan-India or South or Bollywood or English or Russian. I think Puri sir always says that local is global and content is king. And people are appreciating. It's so good to see people are appreciating good cinema, fun cinema, entertainment, masala. At the same time, there's amazing content, different genres. So I think it's we should not have those kind of boundaries.
Right.
And just enjoy cinema. And हमारी picture तो एकदम गली cinema है, गली picture है, and city mar picture hai. So I hope people enjoy this also on August 15th.
I'm sure. Second last question. Puri sir, this one's for you. Lipika ji wants to know, do you think now Ram Bhai is the new item boy of the industry?
Definitely.
What is item boy?
Sorry?
What is item boy?
Lipika ji, would you like to throw some light?
Ma'am, I remember meeting you. Yeah, how are you?
वो मुलाकात, no, sorry.
Yeah, please. Sir, मुझे अपन item boy अंडा.
Okay, one last question to everyone, and this is life में कब double smart बनने का try किया है? Namita wants to know. Have you, sir, tried ऐसा life में double smart बनने का कुछ किया हो?
हर इंसान को रहता है वो. हाँ.
When was the last time and what did you do?
बहुत किया. कितना बनूं? 45 years हो गया.
और बनी रहा हूँ तब से. For you, Chami ma'am.
What is that?
Double smart बनने का try किया कभी?
ये जो जब भी उनका चिप को प्रॉब्लम आता है, होता है. मेरा दिन भर होता रहता है. तो कोई जरूरत नहीं है. मैं इधर होती हूँ, उधर भी होती हूँ.
And बड़े खूबसूरती से करती हो ये काम. Puri sir, for you, double smart. What is double smart? और आपने कभी try किया ऐसा बनने का?
I never tried, but I write.
But as Rambhai said,
Yeah.
you brought that attitude in the
Correct,
industry.
correct.
आप तो खुद में हो सर. Sanju Baba, for you, double smart बनने का आखिरी बार कभी try किया था?
मेरी लाइफ डबल ही नहीं, लेकिन
You're asking him.
मैं बोल रहा था मेरी लाइफ डबल ही नहीं, 100 स्मार्ट शंकर है. But I love it. I mean, double smart.
Right.
Must say.
Right. Ustad, for you.
Yeah, I just played, no?
No, in real life.
In real life also.
Huh? Kavya?
I think for me, I'm going to first try to be smart and then double smart.
बढ़िया, ये
No,
best है.
I am too naive first. I can be a little too innocent in that sense. So first पहले smart बनेंगे और फिर double smart.
Chronology को समझिए.
She
order
just
पे
got
चलिए.
scammed the other day, so.
Yeah, I did get
That trauma.
scammed the other day. So.
Right. All right. 15th August is when we'll get to see the movie in theaters, ladies and gentlemen. जाते जाते एक surprise for all you people. राम भाई को and बाबा को हम एक request करेंगे कि वो hook step जो है वो हमको थोड़ा सा सिखा दीजिए.
Yes, please,
Step-a-mar.
Can we quickly remove the
please,
chairs?
on public
Ram
demand.
Step-a-mar.
बनता
One
है.
step-a-mar, sir ji, please.
And
उस्ताद,
मीडिया के हमारे जो कुछ एक friends
मैं
हैं.
प्यार से इनको उस्ताद बुलाती हूँ. ये
राहुल from
हमारे
the फिल्मी
उस्ताद
चर्चा
हैं.
come. We want you on
और
stage.
बाबा,
राहुल quickly. Sir आइए. आप भी आइए. Yes.
जरा गाना लगाइए ना, बिग बुल.
लगाइए भाई लगाइए गाना लगाइए. राहुल एक सेकंड. Sir एक सेकंड. I'll call you guys on stage. Can we quickly have the song, please? We'll do the hook step with the team and of course with our friends from the media in some time.
गाना बजाइए. Ustad and Baba are going to entertain us with one small hook step. They are not planned. This is a surprise to them. They didn't even know that we are going to ask this. So please be kind.